Hi guys, welcome back. Looky, we have bananas coming on the latest banana blossom. Look at that. So exciting. Just wanted to show you guys that as we start this new video. This video is on shout outs. Yep, we're going to do shout outs today. Something new that I haven't done before. So stay tuned. Temperature check at 2:30 in the afternoon. 24 Celsius. What a great day today has been. I've done a lot of work in the garden. It's been very windy though. That's been the only catch. So I'll show you guys what I did in this beautiful weather. Very, very windy. Very, very windy again. The first shout out goes to my friend. Yep, I had to write all my friends' names down. That's what happens, guys, when you get older. Memory, right? We're starting local. First guy is Organic Growing Melbourne. I'm going to link to all these guys. And please go to their channels. The reason I'm sharing this, by the way, is these guys are on the same path that we all are on, trying to break the boundary of tropical, subtropical fruit growing in a temperate climate. And they're also relatively new to YouTube. So I want to promote their channels. I want to encourage you all to go and check out their channels, subscribe, and help them grow as you've helped me. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this mango, other than new growth, this is the Glen, by the way. It's looking splendorous. The reason why I'm showing you this is because my friend here in Melbourne, Organic Growing Melbourne, he shared a tip on his channel last week on why you might want to tip prune your mango at this time of the year, if you're in the southern hemisphere, that is. So I followed his advice and I did likewise. Not all the tips, some. I did some of them, right? I did that one, and which other one did I do? I did big one there. I even went deeper than what he suggests for some of them, and for most not. Another one there. So that's our first shout out. And before I move on, this guy also has got a large Hass avocado like I do, that's fully loaded. So he knows what he's doing. So if you're interested in tips on avocado, you might want to check him out for that as well. So go ahead and subscribe and follow him ASAP, especially if you're in Melbourne. One of the projects I did today was on this passion fruit vine, which I put in the ground only last summer. Look how good it did over winter. I'm so stoked on the results. I haven't had much success with passion fruit, guys. That is passion fruit, fruiting passion fruit. I've had vines, not a problem. Vines and flowers, yeah. But no fruit. I haven't had fruit except one, which was a banana passion fruit, and that was just ugly. I ripped it out. it went crazy all over the... Can you hear the wind? It's been like that all day. Yeah, that banana passion fruit had to go because it was just very invasive, and the fruit was disgusting. So other than that success, I'm hoping that this guy, which is fully loaded, I'm gonna make a in-depth video on this coming up, fully loaded with fruit buds. Look at that. And these have come only, what, 1 week out of winter. So it's been waiting all winter to flower. So I'm really excited for passion fruit. So this is what I did today, because he wants to grow there on the side. I put some more wire up, yeah, and I attached it to that wire which I had there before on this passion fruit, which looks like it's dying. I don't know why this one isn't happy, but that's all right. I put 2 in, right? I put them in both last summer, and whichever one survives, and it looks like he's the winner and he's the loser. That's a shame, but it doesn't matter. I want one passion fruit anyway. So I connected the 2 trellises with wire today, and there you go. You can see it better from this angle. Yeah, so we'll see what happens over spring with this guy. And the variety is just this passion fruit. It doesn't really say much. Doesn't say much. I don't know what variety it is. We'll find out. It's got a photo of it. Probably generic photo, not sure. Anyway, that's what I did this morning. The second guy I want to share today is a little further away from home, but still in Australia. His channel is called Tropical Fruit Gardening Canberra. Yeah, so help out our friend up there in the ACT. And his specialty is greenhouse growing. Although he will be expanding outside of the greenhouse, he's trying to get his tropical fruit trees started in a greenhouse, and it looks like he's had some success. Check out his channel for more details. So he's into the greenhouse aspect of tropical fruit growing, as Canberra gets hard freezes in winter, much more than we do here in Melbourne. And now for the third channel. I'm not sure who to go next, because one is in London and the other one is in Florida. I'm not sure which one is closer to me. I think they're a tie. I'm not sure. But we'll go with Brett. Brett, you gotta meet Brett, guys. He's very friendly, very chatty. He loves to chat. So if you want to make a friend on YouTube growing tropical fruit trees, but also sociable, you can't go past Brett. And he likes to try, well, even harder than the rest of us, by growing guavas and many other wonderful subtropical, tropical fruit trees. His channel is called Lionheart 84 Exotic Fruit Growing. Yeah, that's Brett in London, and he's done some amazing stuff there in London that would be hard to believe in his climate. I believe he's in a cool temperate climate. And don't forget to subscribe to him too. Okay, we're gonna wrap it up with number 4. And if I forgot anyone, guys, I'll probably make a continuation video at some time. So for now, I've picked 4 of my favorites whom I want to see grow. And our 4th friend, is out of Florida, and his YouTube channel is called Thomas the Ram. Again, I'm gonna link to all these channels in this video. So what he's done is, well, he's got a slight advantage over the rest of us, where he's able to push the boundary even more because of well, the longer summers and more sunshine in Florida. I believe he's in Florida. I hope I'm not wrong. But from what I saw last week in his video, he has to be in Florida. He's growing star apple and things that have died on me countless times, but he seems to be doing pretty good. So go and check out Thomas the Ram, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy his channel too. Help these guys grow so they can also help you, and we help each other, guys. That's how it works. So that's a wrap on today's shout out video from Real Life Fruitopia. And don't forget to also subscribe to me if you haven't. If this is the first time you've watched this channel, check out that wind. Wow, amazing. A lot of wind. This is week 3 of these nasty winds we've had. That's the ice cream bean. They're prone to snapping and falling over in these winds, but hopefully we don't get that, and it remains up there for years to come. Alright guys, please like and comment, and also if you like, you can mention other channels that are your favorites. I might give out a shout out to them as well. I'm going to be making a video on this pink guava next, so stay tuned. It's absolutely loaded. Literally 300-400 guava, pink guava, the Hawaiian variety. Been munching on it every day in different forms. Juice, fruit salad, etc, etc. Alright guys, see you from the next video, and take care.